can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, open digital run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed.
Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I'm gonna give my first impression on the Sunnies face lipstick. Is it overhyped or is it really a good quality? If you want to find out, just keep on watching. So I got my Sunnie Fluff Matte from their website. Fortunately, got 3 shades. It's Bake, Girl Crush, and Nudist. Well, funny story was, it was my fiance who was on their website.
Wish you were here. And I'm just trying to play it cool now.
And trying his very best to purchase lipsticks. It was really lagging. The website has crashed. I thought we weren't able to get some. Fortunately, was able to check out. And I think it was 6 to 7 days after I received this lipstick. So I was very excited. I want to know for myself what is the hype all about and if it's really good. I'm afraid as a morena that some nudes look pale on my lips and it doesn't really look good on me. So I'm gonna swatch them on my arm and then I'm gonna try it on my lips. So the packaging is really So the packaging is really chic. It's like a minimalist type of packaging, and it has the brand on the top of the cap. The shade is at the bottom. So you'll get this whole thing. I think it's okay because it's $345. I think that's very reasonable. That is one swipe, and I think that is very pigmented. And it's very creamy as well. I like the formula. It's matte, but it doesn't feel drying. And I don't think this claims to be long lasting. And it's not transfer proof as well, but... So let's head on to the next shade, which is Baked. I think that's a bit orangey. Okay, let's move on to Girl Crush. I think I made a great choice because I have like every tone, like a nude one, coral one, and then some rose.
But that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not trying to be with you now.
This is also a good tone. You just can't see it because of the ring light that I have. It's like more rosy in person. I was afraid that this would easily break while I'm putting it on because normally if you have like a creamy kind of formula, they tend to break easier. And I already dropped this like 3 times already and I was like praying, oh god, no. For my final thoughts, this is a very good lipstick. For its price of 345 pesos, it's worth buying. For the color range, I think they did a great job. It's 9 shades in total, and I think I'm gonna get more of those shades. I just bought 3 of them because I'm gonna try them out and see if I like it and then repurchase if I liked it. And I want to thank my fiance for buying this for me. But yeah, for morena skin, I wasn't disappointed for the color range and I thought this would be too light, but it worked perfectly with my skin tone and I'm happy. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I know there's already a lot of reviews about it, but I want to make my own one just to see how it is for me and for my fellow morenas. So I hope this was informative and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Press the bell icon.
Bye!